Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to install Metasploitable 2 on your VMware. First, open your web browser. So then you type Metasploitable 2, the search engine, then you hit enter. You see from the list of options the various Metasploitables that are available on the web. Just click on the first one like this. Yeah, just click on it. Just click on it. After clicking on it, it will take you to a different interface, just like this. So over here, it will give you a brief definition of Metasploitable 2, what it is about and all that. Then you see there are two links available under the definition. The first link will take you to a place. They will ask you to fill some forms. It is really complicated, so we'll go with the second option. That is the second link. The second link is just simple. Just click on it, just like this. Click on it, and yeah, it will bring you here. As you can see, that is the download option available there. Just click on the download. Give it some few seconds, then your download will start. As you can see, it has already started downloading. So just wait for it to finish downloading. Yeah, now it has finally downloaded. So just right click on it and you copy the downloaded zip file. Then you go straight to where you want the file to be. Since my local disk D has more space than the C, I will go with the D. So I will create a new folder in my local disk D, then name it Metasploitable 2. Yeah, just like this. I'll name the folder Metasploitable 2. Then I'll hit enter. Then I'll open it. As you can see, it is empty. So I'll paste the zip file that I've copied from the download options. I'll paste it here. Then I'll extract it here. Extract. So yeah, I'll extract it here. Just click on extract. Give it some time to finish extracting. Just perfect, so delicious. So yeah, it is now with extraction. So you just open it then you can see the files have been extracted successfully. So you minimize the folders. Yeah, then you open your the VMware workstation. As you can see, there are various options over there. Click on the open virtual machine, then you go to a folder will appear for you to select where your Metasploitable 2 file is. As you can see, this is it. So I'll click on it. And yeah, it has been installed in the virtual machine. So now I'll open it, click on that small thing to run it. But we have some configurations to do by you. So as you can see, it has displayed something for you to see right here. So you read it carefully, and you select the I copied it. Yeah, the I copied section. That's what you are selecting. So when you are done reading, and you click on the I copied. Yeah, that one. And click on it. Yes, after clicking to bring you here, so just give it some time for it to boot. Don't click anything, just leave it like that. Wait for some time for it to set up an order for you. So yes, it is done, and then this is the interface. This is the interface of the Metasploitable 2. It has no graphic user interface. So this is what you are seeing. This is what you will be seeing. So yes, this is the interface. As you can see, you'll be asked for a username and a password. A default username and the password for the Metasploit is msfadmin. So the username, you will type msfadmin, and then for the so username, you type msfadmin, then hit enter. You'll be asked for the password. It's the same msfadmin, then hit enter. So yes, this is it. So you are now in your home, but you can type pwd. Can use that command to get into your home directory. When you are done, it means you can now use the various tally commands here and to work perfectly. So now you will come back to your Kali, the Kali Linux. So let's boot it up. Yes, you'll be asked for your username and your password. So this is it. Then you log in into your Kali Linux. And now we are going back to the Metasploit. We want, now the installation is done successfully, but we want to confirm whether it is done. So to do that, we'll first type exit. Type exit, EXIT. Hit enter. Then they'll request you to, give the username and the password for the Metasploit. So you do that, msfadmin for both username and password. And when you are done, we'll check the IP for the Metasploitable 2, get your IP address. And to get that, the command you use is ifconfig. ifconfig. That is the command for checking your IP of your Metasploit. So yes, as you can see, your IP is showing at the top. Your IP is showing here. This is your IP 192.168. Yeah, as you can see, that is your IP. It's just a class C IP. So with this IP, we'll go back to your Kali Linux, open the terminal. Then we'll try pinging the IP. Try to ping the IP address of the Metasploit to see if the Metasploit is working successfully. So you type ping, PING, then the IP address you've gotten from your Metasploit. Here, as you use the command ifconfig, the IP. So you use the same IP and your Kali Linux, you ping it. So yeah, this is it. So yeah, you can refer back to make sure that is the correct IP. When you are done, you hit enter. Then as you can see, the IP you are pinging is successful. As you can see, it's successful. So to end it, you just click Ctrl+C. To end this, Ctrl+C, then it will end it for you. So as you can see, the IP that we've pinged has been done successfully. So this means the Metasploitable 2 that we've installed is running successfully. So yeah, this is it. So with this, we are done with downloading your Metasploitable 2, installed it successfully on your VMware. So that is all for today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.